This is the Skywatch Media special report for July 26, 2019. Just recently, an asteroid smashed into the Earth's atmosphere, causing an immense blast over Canada. The fireball explosion occurred roughly 18 miles above the surface, with the space rock traveling at an incredible 45,000 miles per hour. The small asteroid was able to penetrate deep within the atmosphere, relatively close to the ground, thus scattering fragments across the countryside of Ontario, Canada. Here's what is known about the impact. At roughly 2:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on July 24th, multiple cameras belonging to the Southern Ontario Meteor Network indicated that the asteroid became visible at an altitude of 58 miles above the northern shore of Lake Ontario and moving to the northeast at 55,000 miles per hour. The object traversed some 80 miles through the upper atmosphere and then slowed to 17,000 miles per hour before exploding 18 miles above Little Anstruther Lake, which is located near the Canadian town of Apsley. The orbit and peak brightness, which was close to that of the full moon, indicate the fireball was caused by a fragment of an asteroid classified as a remnant from the formation of the solar system. The Meteor Camera Network captured the fiery rock's trek through the atmosphere on video, which will help researchers figure out where in the solar system it originated. At about the same time that a small asteroid fragmented over Canada, a gigantic one passed just over 43,000 miles from our planet on July 25th. It was discovered by the Brazilian Sonar Survey just days ago, and its presence was announced mere hours before it zoomed past our planet. The near-Earth asteroid designated 2019 OK poses a genuine risk to the Earth, since it measures as much as 426 feet in diameter. At its closest approach during dark skies, the asteroid would have been visible with binoculars as point of light drifting slowly across the sky. But just 3 days before its closest approach, it was 1,000 times fainter and not easily detectable. Asteroid 2019, which has been orbiting fairly close to the Sun, was only visible around twilight before it was independently detected by sensitive telescopes that scan large areas of the sky. The asteroid has a very elliptical orbit, taking it from the asteroid belt beyond Mars to within the orbits of both Earth and Venus, a 2.7-year orbit that will bring it close to Earth once again in our near future. As with all dangerous near-Earth objects, if their trajectory should bring them in contact with the Earth, there would be very little warning and little that could be done in way of preparation. Right now, spacecraft are approaching near-Earth asteroids in an attempt to study their orbital patterns, in the hope of preventing an asteroid catastrophe with our planet. But these are only missions of discovery, rather than attempts at asteroid destruction. All things considered, the ultimate solution in preventing an impact may be to give dangerous asteroids a gentle nudge that could gradually change an asteroid's velocity over a period of years. That would hopefully make a difference in its trajectory. A small nudge in the right direction could be just enough to avoid annihilation on our small planet. Thanks for watching.